In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, Kayan Morgan tells us how influential athletes are using sports to steer at-risk youths from violence.
A Ray of Hope. 4 of the country's top sporting figures, 30 youth from the volatile Augustown community. Combined, you have the Project Gold initiative. Former captain of the Sunshine Girls, Simone Forbes, Olympian Chilean Fraser Price, former reggae boy Ricardo Bibi Gardner, and international cricketer Chris Gayle using their celebrity to impact positive change through sports.
We can only share our experience and hope that something stuck. And from what I've seen, I believe that, they understand the importance of when you get an opportunity, you have to make the best of it.
And it's timely because after a murder-free 2016, Augustown is back on the police's radar following a spate of violent incidents. The project is seen as a well-needed distraction, with participants engaging in several sporting disciplines, including netball, football, track and field, and cricket.
I owe most of everything I've gotten in life to my involvement with netball and all the other sports that I was a part of. So it's something that we have tried to impart to these kids. It's something that we've talked to them about. Had it not been for sports, we wouldn't be where we are today.
Simone calls it athletes against crime.
This is why we are here, and to let the kids know about our story and our success and what drives us and the challenges that we face and what they are going through is things that we have been through but didn't stop us from making it to who we are today.
Youth in Augustown can change. That's really what it has meant to me, and for us to change we only need opportunities.
Teach you to interact with your children from baby stage until they're adult.
That's very good because many times youngsters just don't have positive role models, and I believe that these ambassadors, these sporting professionals, are positive ambassadors for these children.
We'll be keeping them in touch with the friends they've made here so that they can continue to grow together and learn to live together so that it will be a peaceful community.
With A Ray of Hope, I am Kayan Morgan.
A Ray of Hope.